What's up, everyone? Blocking ads on your phone can be a bit of a headache, especially when you're used to how easy it is on a desktop. But today, I'm going to show you how to block over 90% of those annoying ads on your phone, and it will take you less than 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First, go to nextdns.io on your browser. You don't have to sign up to use this service, but I recommend doing so. Once you're on the site, go to the Privacy tab. Under Block Lists, click on Add a Block List. You can choose any filter you like, but I suggest reading the descriptions before adding one. These filters block domains used for ads, tracking, or malicious sites, and the lists are constantly updated. After selecting your filter, go back to the Setup tab. You'll need the configuration ID later when setting up the NextDNS app on your phone. Next, go to your App Store and download the NextDNS app. When you first open it and try to enable NextDNS, the app will ask you to go to Settings, then General, then VPN and Device Management, and finally, DNS, where you'll select NextDNS. Now you can enable NextDNS. At the bottom, click on the 3 dots icon. This will bring up the Settings menu. Click on Configuration ID and paste the ID you got earlier. Now you can see the stats of all the domains that were blocked. You can also view a detailed list of all the domains your phone is trying to communicate with. Let me show you a quick demo. Here's how it looks with NextDNS turned off, and here's what happens when it's enabled. Big difference, right? For extra protection, especially for blocking ads on Safari, I recommend downloading 2 additional apps. You don't need the premium versions. The free ones work just fine. Lastly, I want to introduce you to an alternative app for YouTube called Video Lite. It automatically blocks all ads on YouTube, but when you open the app, you'll see a 5-second ad. It can get annoying, but with NextDNS, you can use the app ad-free. Thanks for watching till the end. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, and if you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button.